I'm Avi Horowitz, eXp Luxury Realtor here in Boca Raton, Florida. If you like home tours, subscribe so that you don't miss a beat. As you enter through the glass entry doorway, you're immediately greeted by soaring ceilings and a beautiful modern chandelier, and sightlines that carry straight through to the sparkling pool and canal beyond. Welcome to 8803 Skyward. Let me show you this beautiful single-level home right here in Lotus, the community I call home. Let's start with this open concept kitchen featuring sleek white cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a modern glass tile backsplash. Really bright and expansive, combining living, dining, and kitchen spaces with effortless flow. This kitchen shows really well. Stepping outside to the pool area, you'll find that this particular property is among those with the deepest lots because there is an easement that extends this property an extra 25 feet. Tucked away off the main living area, the primary suite offers tray ceilings, wide plank flooring, and direct views of the pool. It's spacious, serene, and pre-wired for a wall-mounted TV. Before entering the ensuite bath, you'll find two separate walk-in closets, fully customized for maximum organization. The master bathroom features dual vanities, a large soaking tub and frosted windows, a walk-in shower, and generous storage throughout. This magnificent home features a private flex space with built-in cabinetry, a black quartz work surface, designer lighting, perfect for a home office, creative studio, or retreat, even a bedroom. But remember, it does not have a closet. Towards the front of the home, you'll find a powder room, along with the entrance to the garage on the opposite of the powder room. This 3-car garage is equipped with air conditioning. This house features a super spacious laundry room and 2 more bedrooms that have their own full baths. Each of the bedrooms includes custom closet organizers for added convenience. For added peace of mind, this home also includes a full house generator, keeping everything running no matter what. Thank you very much for allowing me to show you 8803 Skyward, and if you're ever interested in any type of real estate in South Florida, feel free to reach out. Thank you again.